Good morning students. Myself Arshdeep Kaur, a member of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we are here to start revision work of your book Beehive. In this revision class we are going to cover some of your chapters. The first chapter that we are going to deal from your book Beehive is the fun they had. For the better understanding of your text, I request you all to open your books and come to page number 5. We would be dealing with points to remember, and in this form only I would be narrating you the whole story. The story begins with two children, Margie and Tommy. Two main characters of the story are there. One is Margie, another is Tommy. They are young children, and this story is related with how the studies are going to be done in the future upcoming generation, how they are going to study and what all things they will get over there. So one fine day what happened, Margie was writing the diary. The date was 17 May 2157. The year is in the 21st century and 57th years. So it is the future we are talking about. In that future time, children have started studying from robots and not from the teachers. There were on the screen a robot used to come, and on the screen the letters used to come and go from there. There were no real books, there were no physical books from which they could study. So one fine day Margie wrote in her diary, the date was 17th May, that Tommy found a real book. Now the real book over here is about the grandfather's book. This is a physical book that the children has got from there, and they have got it from the outhouse, and over there it was that the real book had a physical appearance. The book papers have gone a yellowish pale color, and they were able to see the book for the first time. So Margie and Tommy both were surprised that in reality also there are some books, because in the 21st century and now they are going to the school, their school is in their bedroom only, and they have never seen such a book in their life ever. So they were really thinking that what this book is all about, and they were looking at the book and they were seeing that in the book the letters were stick on the book only, they were not moving. So when they opened the book they were really shocked that how come the book's letters are still over there, because in that century students were studying from robots. Margie's hatred for school. What happened? Margie did not like the culture, the way in which schools were teaching them. Margie's school was located there only, inside her bedroom only. Nearby there was robot who was kept over there. Robot was the teacher. One fine day what happened, Margie's grades were going down continuously. So Margie's mother just called the county inspector, and when Margie's mother called the county inspector, he just came and said that the robot is not working fine. There is something wrong in the geography section, and that was the reason that Margie's basic grades were going down day by day. It was not fault of Margie, and Margie was not liking at all the way they were teaching her. So that was the biggest reason that Margie do not like teachings from the robot, and she hated the school and what all teachings were going over there. Margie also thought that Tommy, why don't my robot get off like Tommy's robot? What happened? One day Tommy's robot was not working, and county inspector was the person who has come over there, and he just took away the robot for few days because his history section was not working in a proper way. So she thought that why can't my robot also be taken away, so that I cannot study for few days and I would enjoy my leisure time. So students, you could see that her hatred was too much for the school. Tommy's opinion about the book. Now Tommy's opinion was quite furious about the book, that the book is too good, and Tommy said that I would go through the book, and Tommy also said that it might be in the previous time when the grandfather's time was there, at that particular time they might be reading from this physical books only, in which the letters were not there. So what happened? Tommy said that, do you want to read the book? To which Margie also said that you just leave the book. From that book they came to know that in the previous times they used to go all together to the school, they used to sit over there, there were recess time over there, they used to sit, enjoy, classmates used to come like you people are coming today. But in Margie's and Tommy's generation, what actually happened, that people were not going to, children were not going to school. Their school was situated in a rowboat, and that rowboat was kept near the bedroom. They have to enter through the rowboat, submit their homework and attend the classes. And hearing this grandfather's view, they were really very happy that how to deal with it. Margie's opinion about the old school. Margie really thought the way the grandfather was going to the school along with the classmates and everyone, it was a really very good way. As they all used to go together, they used to enjoy their time, they used to meet their friends, recess were there. So this was Margie's opinion. But in today's time, Margie and Tommy thought that their school is not so good. Why? Because the main purpose of accomplishment of the studies, that was being done by a robot, and they were not able to really get into such things. The books were e-books, the books used to appear on the screen of the robot, the grades were given in that way only. For going to school, they do not have to go to a building, they were sitting over there only and enjoying their studies. There were no recess, nothing. So the basic memories that you could gather out from the school was missing in these children's life. As so much advancement of technology has come that they both were engaged in robots and all only. There were no physical workouts like in the school. So altogether in this particular chapter, the author has made you given a view of what? Of how the schools are going to be in the future generation and how the children are going to react when they see the old patterns of teaching. This has been taught to you and the gist has been given to you in this chapter by Margie and Tommy's point of view. So now we would be moving further and dealing with some of the questions of the chapter. So for better understanding, kindly open your books simultaneously. We would be dealing with the first question. What was Margie's thinking about the old school? Open page number 9, paragraph number 10 and mark the answer. So Margie's thinking about the school, I have already told you that what she used to think about the old schools. But let us come to page number 9 and paragraph number 10 and mark the answer for it. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather with a little boy, all kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. So this was her thinking, that all of them used to go to the school together, neighbors, and they all used to enjoy in the school. Let us come to the next question. Give a description of county inspector. I have told you about county inspector also. Who is a county inspector? Who used to deal with the robots. Any fault in the robot teacher, then that fault was being taken out by whom? By the county inspector. For the answer, come to page number 6, paragraph number 4. Let us mark the answer. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. They took the teacher apart. So county inspector came and took the robot along with him from there. Now we would be discussing the question answers of the chapter in detail. Students, you might have gone through the video of the lecture before also. Now we would be discussing some of the important questions from the chapter number 1 only, the fun they had. Let us begin with the question. It is in the extract form. Basically an extract has been taken and then the questions are been framed from it, and it is important from your point of view of exam also. Let us read the extract. Read the extract and answer the following questions. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. Now this extract is there. Let us see the question. It is in the form of extract, and now the question is from the extract only. Who does they refer to? Now in the above line, sure they had a teacher. So they refers to whom? It has been asked in the question. They refers to Tommy's great grandfather. Over here, yet they are discussing about the grandfather time, that at that time the teacher was there, but it was not a robot, it was in the form of a man. So they refer to great grandfather. What does regular mean here? But it wasn't a regular teacher. So what does the word regular signify over here? Regular refers to the mechanical teacher that Tommy and Margie have. So Tommy and Margie were having the robotic teacher. So for them regular teacher means robot. But over here the regular teacher, they think it would be a man. Next question. What is it contrasted with? What is the contrast that has been given? It is being contrasted with a human teacher. The robotic teacher has been contrasted with a human teacher. What is, next question, who is the speaker here? Who is narrating this particular extract that you have to identify? So Tommy is the speaker here. Who is narrating? Tommy is narrating. Let us now come to the next extract. Read the extract and answer the following questions. Let us see this extract number B. That is, I would not throw it away. Who says these words? I would not throw it away. Tommy says these words. It is the book they are talking about, that I would not throw it away. Let us come to the second question. What does it refer to? It refers to the real book, the book that has a physical appearance. So Tommy is saying that I would not throw away this book that is having a physical appearance. Who has found it out? Tommy has found this real book. So who found the real book? They are talking about the real book. Where did they found? Whom found it? So it was founded by Tommy. What is being compared by the speaker? The real book is being compared with the telebooks. So over here there is a comparison drawn between the real books and the telebooks. Now we will discuss some question answers of the same chapter. These were extracts based question. Now normal question. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were large, black, ugly, and had large black screens on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. So over here a description has been given of the robotic teacher that they were having at that time. The robot was kept with a huge screen, and on that screen the lessons were coming and going. So that was the teacher to them. So that has been described over here, that it has large black screens and lessons used to come on that screen. It had slot in which they had to put their homework and test papers. So there was a slot fixed that when they enter the class they have to submit their homework online only, and then the test papers were being submitted to them by them. So the description has been given to you of the robotic teacher. Let us come to the next important question. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Tommy's teacher had once been taken away from a nearly month because the history sector had blanked out completely from it and thus needed to be repaired. So Tommy's teacher was again a robot only. So what happened one fine day that this robot has become off. Why? Because the history section has become blank and nothing was there. So what happened that the county inspector came and took away this particular robot with him for a month. So he was having a very leisure time for a month. Let's discuss the next important question. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school except for Saturday and Sunday. She had to attend her school at the same time every day. So the slot was fixed for them also. Saturdays and Sundays were off and rest of the time the slot were fixed. It was so because Margie's mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. So Margie's mother was having a thinking that if the girls have been given a proper slot, children have been given a proper slot, so they would learn better, understanding would be there. Let us discuss one more question. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the schoolmates that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers for them in the story. It is in the form of robot. I have told you that, explained you. The mechanical teacher is a robotic teacher with a computer screen on which lessons are shown, questions are asked, tests are given. All things, questions, lessons have been there only. They have to put answers to their test and homework in a slot. So a slot was given in which homework and test were being submitted. The mechanical teacher takes no time in calculating their marks. Immediately the results are being revealed. Every mechanical teacher is adjusted according to the level of the student. So whatever is the level of the student, if the student is of high level, then the teacher would upgrade himself with all the programs of questions according to the IQ level of the child. The mechanical teacher lives into the schoolroom in the house of the student and starts flashing every day at the regular study hours except on Saturday and Sunday. Now, whenever the school hours were going to become, at that time the teacher used to flash the screen that schools is going to become, you have to join the school except Saturday and Sunday. It never falls ill nor forgets anything while teaching the student. Now, everything is being hacked in the system, you could say everything is sum up in the system. So, never it happened that the teacher is on leave or the teacher is not coming, and it never forgets anything. And why? Because it was a robot. So this was a brief description about it. I hope you have understood this chapter. Now we would be continuing with another chapter for the revision.